Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Love Story on piano. We will start with the fundamental chords, a minor, G major, C major, and F major. These four chords form the backbone of the song. Practice transitioning between them slowly at first, ensuring each chord sounds clear. Repeat the progressions several times to build muscle memory. This foundational step is crucial for mastering the song's harmony and rhythm. Now, let's focus on the right-hand melody. The main melody often uses notes from the C major scale. Break the melody into small, manageable phrases, perhaps 2 to 4 measures long. Practice each phrase repeatedly until it feels natural. Pay close attention to your finger placement to ensure smooth and accurate playing. This will help you achieve the song's distinctive sound and feel. Bringing both hands together can be challenging, so begin at a very slow tempo. Play the chords with your left hand and the melody with your right, ensuring they align correctly. A metronome is an excellent tool to help you maintain a steady rhythm and improve your overall timing. Gradually increase the speed as you become more comfortable, aiming for a consistent pace. To truly bring Love Story to life, focus on dynamics and expression. Experiment with playing some sections softer and others louder to create emotional depth. Emphasize certain melodic phrases to highlight their importance. Practice conveying the song's melancholic yet hopeful mood through your playing. This will make your performance much more engaging and beautiful for any listener.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.